Hi, I'm Dr. Andy Choi. Healthy Smiles Dentistry has been in business about 3 years. I've been in practice for over 10 years. We're a general office. We do all aspects of general dentistry. I think the biggest aspect of what sets us apart from the other offices is the people that we have that work for us. When patients walk into our office, the first thing they'll notice is the different atmosphere. We have spa amenities such as paraffin hand wax, warm neck pillows, cucumber eye masks. We also have viewing goggles for patients to watch movies and videos. I think patients come back because they feel that they're getting the right treatment.
A year ago, I fell. I broke these 2 teeth, knocked this one out, and a friend recommended me to Dr. Choi, and I decided to go with the implant. I'm thrilled. I would never have imagined in a million years that at the end of this process I would hug my dentist, and I hugged my dentist and his entire staff.
We're located in South Suburban Reno in South Meadows, next to the renowned hospital in the Sierra Vista campus.
Hi, I'm Dr. Lee at Healthy Smiles Dentistry. We believe in providing modern dentistry with care.